guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well and are safe at home. So today's video is gonna be on my summer morning skincare routine. Yeah, let me tell you all, when I just started with my skincare routine, these are the products I started off with. All these products are beginner friendly and way too affordable. So besties who are just starting with skincare or anyone in that matter just want to opt for a good morning skincare routine, I am here to help you guys out. I'm just going to talk about very basic stuff in this video because I'm not someone who will do like 10-15 steps of skincare daily in the morning. जो भी करता होगा आप लोगों के लिए क्या ही बोलूं, भगवान भी ऊपर से बोलता होगा बस कर पगली रुलाएगी क्या. Yeah, because nobody has so much of time in the morning. Everyone has to go to school, college or office, and also I believe in the fact that less is more. So yeah, I'm going to give you a lot of affordable options in this video. If you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. Okay, let's start with the first thing, which is gonna be your cleanser. Now I know a lot of people don't generally wash their face with a cleanser in the morning, which for me is a big no-no. Let me give you a hypothetical example. Like if you see a painter, he always paints on a clean canvas. He obviously won't paint on a used canvas, right? So the same thing has to be implemented in your skincare routine. No matter what, you got to cleanse your face with a good cleanser, even if you have done your bougie ASS night skincare routine. Because there is a lot of buildup on your skin at night, and when you don't use a cleanser in the morning and directly apply products on your skin, then your pores will get clogged, and when your pores are clogged, you tend to develop acne, and I know you girlies don't want that. So I've already cleansed my face with Mamaearth's Tea Tree face wash, which I've already spoken about this product in one of my previous videos. You guys can check it out. It will be in the I button. Mamaearth is my forever favorite brand, and I cannot put it down how much I swear by their products. This face wash has helped me immensely. Also, this product is very much affordable. Like the huge bottle comes for around 400 rupees. It's one of the best face washes I've ever used. I kid you not. So yeah, this was my recommendation for a good and affordable face wash. Now let's move on and talk about the toner I use in the mornings. I opt for this Dabur Gulabari Rose Water. This product removes all the dirt and grime that damages your skin, leaves your skin looking refreshed, and gives your skin that cooling effect. Very good toner for the summers. It suits all skin types. It has no preservatives, and this bottle comes for around 84 rupees, which is 250 ml, and the smaller one comes for around 40 to 45 rupees. So yeah, this was my recommendation for a good and affordable toner. Yeah, the next thing I indulge in my morning skincare routine is this Biotic Bio Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer. It's for all skin types. This moisturizer is blended with pure honey, wheat germ and seaweed. It sinks deep into the skin to replace natural oils and replenish lost moisture for that flawless complexion. Yeah, now just let me read what they have written on the bottle. So it says Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer is a refreshing lotion that hydrates and nourishes skin, reduces and prevents the appearance of dark spots, pigmentation and fine lines, keeps skin fresh, light and bright. Also guys, let me tell you that this is not a cosmetic product. It has therapeutic properties in it. Not just this moisturizer, but their brand has this Ayurvedic formula in each of their products, which is made with 100% pure botanical extract. So people who are just starting with skincare, or anyone is curious to know whether this product is safe or not, let me tell you guys, all these products are organically pure, dermatologically tested, and no animal testing is done. It's a cream based moisturizer. I'll just show you the consistency. See? It's not that heavy on your skin, and it's a very good moisturizer for the summers. Plus, it's very much affordable. I got this bottle for around 280. It's 190 ml, and the smaller bottle comes for around 170. So yeah, this was my recommendation for a good and affordable moisturizer. Guys, I heard something, y'all, like someone was screaming. It's around 7-6 AM. Let's see. And ghosts usually come around 3.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Oh, okay, any which ways. Then I use under eye cream from Mamaearth. This eye cream has acid and peptides which diminish unwanted eye area concerns like under eye bags, puffiness, dark circles, etc. It's silicone and paraben free and it suits all skin types. This is 20 gram for 400. Every now and then there is a sale going on Nykaa, so you'll get it around 370 something. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you have watched it till here, then please make sure to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. So moving on to the next product is this vitamin C face serum, which has vitamin C and SPF 20. It is for skin illumination. Vitamin C is an antioxidant which is known to improve skin texture and skin tone. It also hydrates your skin and reduces the signs of aging. Adding vitamin C to your skincare routine does not only brighten your complexion but also protects your skin from sun damage or any harmful radical. So yeah, just let me read what's written on the bottle. Vitamin C face serum with vitamin C and SPF 20 for skin illumination. It's paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, suits all skin types, fights signs of aging, fresh and lightweight formula, protects against UVA and B rays. This is for 600 rupees. It's a little on the pricier side, but it lasts for a very long time. Yeah, last but not the least, it's gonna be your sunscreen. I cannot stress on the fact that without a sunscreen, your skin will never improve no matter how much you take care of it. If you don't use a sunscreen now, in future you're gonna face a lot of issues. I have learned this very late in my life that how important a sunscreen is. When I was in my school or college, I never used to apply sunscreen and I regret for doing that. Even if you're at home, it's cloudy outside, you still need a sunscreen. And the sunscreen I recommend for you guys is this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50+. Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50+ PA++ is a breakthrough in sun protection, stabilized with Helioplex. It provides superior balanced broad spectrum protection against skin aging, UVA and burning UVB rays, and combines it with dry touch technology for an ultra light non-shiny finish. This lightweight sunscreen has a light fresh scent and is gentle enough even for sensitive skin. Water resistant, sweat resistant, rub off, non-comedogenic, won't clog pores, oil free and paraben free. Also the right way to apply a sunscreen is this 3-finger sigma rule. I'll show you how it is. This is called the 3 sigma finger rule and you need this much sunscreen every day. Okay, you need to apply it entirely on your face. Don't forget your neck, guys. Sorry, it's my dog barking in the background. Now if you're an oily skin type, you should definitely get your hands on this. It doesn't leave any white cast on your face. It is for 650 rupees, which is again an affordable sunscreen. And yeah, we are done with the sunscreen. Now the last thing I do is moisturize my lips. I use this Biotic Bio Fruit Whitening Lip Balm and then I moisturize my lips. It gives a little like a red pink tint to your lips. Yeah guys, that's all with my morning skincare routine. I don't do much, it's very simple and basic. Also, if you guys want to purchase any of these products, I'll mention the link in the description below so you guys can check it out. I hope you enjoyed watching my morning skincare routine. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you guys are notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. See ya.